thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:15 p.m. for northwestern Muhlenberg and eastern McLean counties. At 1:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Livermore, or 7 miles southeast of Calhoun, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Calhoun, Livermore, Sacramento, Island, Bremen, South Carrollton, and Kirtley. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, McLean and Muhlenberg.